If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 366, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes that usually solve it in just a few minutes. This is a simple step-by-step troubleshooting guide, and the good news is you do not need any special tools or advanced settings to try it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the browser's Clear Browsing Data window. From there, make sure you clear both cookies and cache. These stored files can sometimes cause login problems, loading issues, and error messages like 366 on x.com. After you clear the data, close the browser completely and open it again. Then try logging into X or Twitter one more time and see if the error is gone. If you still see the issue, the next thing to do is disable any VPN you may have running. A VPN can sometimes trigger security checks or block your connection from working properly with x.com. Turn it off fully, then refresh the page and try again. If that still doesn't fix it, switch your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, do the opposite and switch back to Wi-Fi. This simple network change can help if the error is being caused by your current connection or IP address. After switching networks, try signing in again and check whether X loads normally. In many cases, one of these 3 steps clears the problem right away, clearing cookies and cache, disabling the VPN, or changing from Wi-Fi to mobile data and back again. If the error is still showing, repeat the steps carefully and make sure nothing was missed. These fixes are safe, fast, and usually enough to get x.com working again. If this video solved the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and easy troubleshooting guides.